but we are Igbos originally, we are Africans, yeah? So if I say umaka, umaka means little children. So if I say umaka, you guys will now answer Eni Jesus. Eni means friend of Jesus.
Friend of Jesus.
Then you now say Pongwe. Pongwe means full stop. Yeah? So umaka, Eni Jesus, Pongwe. Eni means friend. Okay? So children are friends of Jesus. It's in the Bible. You know, Jesus Christ said, allow little children to come to me. Because heaven is for people like them, isn't it? You guys have read that in the Bible. So all I'm saying is what is in the Bible. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to break. Do you guys know what this is? What is it? What is it? What is it? Okay, you know what it is? Okay, now this is for the men. Men, listen to what I'm saying and what I'm doing. Yeah, in Africa, in Nigeria, in Igbo land. Okay, we Igbo people, before we eat in the morning, we bring out the men. It's not the women that will do that, it's the men. The men will bring out the kola nut and do what? And break it. Breaking kola nut means you call upon God to come and bless you and bless your family and bless your community. That's how we do it. So you use the kola nut to call upon God. And when we pray with the kola nut, we don't say that in English, unfortunately. We say that in which language? Igbo language. So that means what I'm going to say now, I'll say that in Igbo. Okay? Okay, so nsị na anyị adịchanụ anyị adịchanụ anyị na-ekele Chukwu ka o si duru anyị dupụta anyị n'Ista 2019 ịrụ ụmụ anyị ma ndị nwunye anyị ma ụmụ nwanne anyị ka ha si nọcha anyị sịkwa na anyị nwarapụrụ Afrịka ma ụmụ nwunye anyị ma ụmụ anyị ha nọcha n'obodo oyibo na ọkwa n'ife ọma ka unu chọwa abịa ebe a n'ife ọma anyị na-achọga na unu ga-enwetacha ya n'afa Jizọs ndị ilo anyị na-enwudo unu unu ga na-eto n'egwu Chukwu na-aga n'iru na-eto unu ga-nwee egwu n'ebe ndị nne na nna unu nọ enugo ndị nne na nna n'ebe a na m asị na ọ ga-adịkwa n'ụlọ mma anyị mara obodo oyibo adịrị izi maka anyị nwa anọchego ebe a n'azi Afrịka na-abịazi n'afọ unu a na-asịkwa unu na-anọ ọfụma ọ na-amasịwa anyị nnọọ ma ịbịa nnọọ ebe a fụcha unu si na ọjọkwa ụmụazị anyị nọ na-eto n'ike mana anyị na ya ka ha na-eto n'egwu Chineke mara na ha bụ ndị Naijiria ndị Igbo unu anụgo asị na ọ ga-adịrị unu niile na mma ndị nwaanyị unu tochiwo na ndị ezigbo di ndị ụmụ nwaanyị ụmụ nwoke unu tochiwo na ndị ezigbo nwaanyị unu kwesịrị na-ama onwe unu kwuru n'onwe onwe unu na-eto na na-anụ onwe unu anyị achọrọ mmadụ ịtọ na mba so that onwe mgbe a ga-eme ihe unu akpọ anyị agba nkwụ anyị bịaba ga ọjị nwụrụ ya ụnanye na-ekwu mmadụ akpọwo unu niile afa na ofu n'ofu mmadụ erike ọfọ niile m gọọrụ unu ka m gọkwa n'isi onwe m ọmụ wee nzudo n'Enugwu ukwu nsị na ọ ga-adịkwara m mma ọkpa ndị bịa obodo oyibo nnabakwa nke a ga-aka nke ndị bịa mma enugolu a sị ọbịa bụ onye abịagbonye ọnụ mgbugba akwara ya n'azụ mmakwa agụgburu n'ọjị nnabakwa ka ihe ọma sokwa m ihe ọma na-ewichikwa n'ebe unu nọ na-ebikwa n'udo na ịfụnanya na mmekọrịta nwanne na nwanne wepụ ihe ọzọ unu nwere n'onwe unu ka unu nwere unu na ọnọkọ onye ọ na-asị na onye tagburu onwe gị onye nwanne ya ifu nwanne gị ka ọ na-efu ụzọ ịkụziere ya ọkwanụ ka esizi ọnya n'Afrịka ana ụmụaka etie gị ihe ikweta adụọ gị ndụmọdụ ka ikweta maka na my father mgbe anyị pere mpe a na-etiji anyị ife ka anyị wee mụta onye ma anyị ji megide wee baa uru ifu nọta anyị n'anya iyi bịaza wuru obodo oyibo a na-ana n'iyi abịaza a na-akụziri ụmụazị ihe dị iche iche ka esi wee akụzi anyị na Naịjirịa nwoke na nwaanyị na-emekọ nwoke na nwoke anaghị emekọ nwaanyị na nwaanyị anaghị emekọ so ka unu buru ya n'obi ma na unu mechaa na di nwoke na nwaanyị ga-anụkọ di na nwunye dapụcha ihe a na-eme n'obodo a so I see no God in the man had Jesus Christ with wine. Amen. So little children, I'm going to break the color out into pieces so you all have small pieces from it. I brought this all the way from the land of the rising sun. You know where the land of the rising sun is? Yeah? Who knows? Yeah? Biafra land. Biafra land is the land of the rising sun. So it's a special kola nut. And also so and today also I went to visit the traditional ruler of my community, Enugu, Igwe Raf Obunemebe. So he also gave me nzu. Yeah? So the way we do it in Igbo land is only men that will banzu. So only the men. What we do is you say whatever wish you want to wish for yourself, for your family, you use the nzu. So you say, Yeah, amen. And you don't hand it, you throw it.
Hey.
But you, whatever you want to wish. Draw whatever you want to draw. Say it in your mind, whatever you want to say it. Yes. Throw it for the next man. No, throw it on the floor. You next. Whatever wish you have for yourself, for your family, for God to do for you, say it. You can be saying it, whatever you want to draw, you draw. Yes, you say throw it on the floor for men. It's for men only. Whatever wish you wish, just draw anything you want. Sorry, women, that's Umuayada Banzuna Nibo. He say, yes, okay, do no Africa. To be also go, he say, Banzu. To be on the floor. Have you done your own? Do your own. Okay, to be there. Come see that Banzu. Come see. Banzu.
Yeah.
To be another. Come see that. Do your own. Well done.
What is XXX? What does that mean?
Cross. It's okay. You're done. Come see Banzu again. And when we go to one day, can't see where come and throw it on the floor there. Put it on the floor. Put it on the floor. No, here. No. Just leave it on the floor and can't see come.
He's still holding.
No, can't see. It's okay. You're done. Just leave it. Put it on the floor. Well done, good boy.
Okay, I can't touch it.
He said, oh, go man. He said, your son there. So, so the cola nut is a bit bitter, but it doesn't matter really. It doesn't kill anybody, okay? So normally when you break cola in Africa, the person that broke the cola will first eat it. And usually why they do that is to show that there's no poison. Okay? So I'll just cut it into little pieces. Then there's also what we call alligator pepper. Some of you may not like it. I'm sure you probably have not eaten it before. Alligator pepper. We normally eat it.
I tried it.
You tried it? Okay, so I've taken my own cola nut. The way we do cola nut is the older men will take first before the younger women. Women don't take, but men can take and give to women. Okay? So I'll take it. It's usually the younger person that will take the cola nut around. Pass the cola nut to him. He will take. Yeah? Then I hope it will be enough. We may need to break it into some more pieces so that it can go around. Unfortunately, women don't put their hands inside the cola nut plate.
Oh dear.
No, we can bring out and give you. You know? You guys will get a piece. Just wait. Yeah. I'll cut it into little pieces. So that
This one's eating.
Yeah. Okay. What we don't know is what we call omenana. You know what omenana means? Tradition. Yeah. I know you all may think that we're old school is boring, but that's the way we do it. Yeah? Okay, so you have your own question. Okay? Just wait. Okay, just to make sure that it goes wrong. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Tiny pieces. Yes. So I'll put a little bit of the alligator. So okay. What you will do is let the men or the boys take one on their own. Then you can now bring out one and give to the women. You know, leave that. That one is for our grandfathers. The one that has fallen on the floor. Don't eat it. Okay, so first You take one, then you give to the boys. Take one first. Before you share, you take one. Take one. Pass. One. Yes. 1. I know it's bitter, but it's okay. Eat it. You won't kill you.
Jesus, have you eaten it before?
Men first.
He just put it in his mouth.
You can now bring out one and give to the women. Okay? Well, no, you women can put their hand inside the thing. You take one and give to the women. Okay. They give it to women. That's the women. So you all may think we are discriminating, but
you actually are.
We didn't make the rules. We didn't make the rules. We can't break the rules.
You actually are.
It's bitter, right?
Ada, please bring
never
tissue.
eaten in your life.
Tissue,
No?
kitchen tissue.
No, it won't hurt you. It won't kill you. Don't worry.
Hey, yeah, see his face. Aww.
Then there's also the small alligator pepper. It's a bit hot. If you guys want it, you want it? Just try it. Just take one. Take one. Just try it. It's hot. Just try it. Just try it. It's just hot.
No, I don't want. Thank you.
It's hot. Just try it.
I've already eaten in Igbo's house today.
Just try it. It's hot. It's just a fruit that is dry. It's hot, right? Can't you? Okay. It's a gordy.